Welcome friends. If you are a Polkadot lover, then this video is for you. Because in this video I am going to tell you my next target, my long-term target, my short-term targets, my immediate targets for the Polkadot. So please watch this video complete, and this is a special video for you. So please watch this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Here you can see this is the Polkadot 1 hour, 4 hour chart, and it is Poloniex chart. In my previous video, I was told you that Polkadot was in panic and is going to hit my target, and Polkadot hit approximately $11.03 level. Now, what are next moves for Polkadot? I am expecting for short term and for medium term. Let me please tell you. Uh, Let me please first tell you my short-term move of Polkadot. Here you can see this is the rising channel. Polkadot is in this rising channel. If this rising channel break towards down side, then Polkadot is going to hit. I will tell you my target. And let me please arrange this chart too. We have to calculate the height of this and we have to put at the level of if Polkadot break this upper trend line, then it for medium for short term immediate short term target is at $14. Polkadot is definitely going to hit $14 level. This is the very short duration target, and if Polkadot rejected at that point, then definitely Polkadot may be down to that level. Let me please show you, and after that I am going to tell you my long term and medium term targets. So please stay in the video. And if Polkadot break this channel towards downside, then this is my next target, $7.30 for Polkadot. We have to wait for the breakout or breakdown for Polkadot. I think Polkadot is going to hit this upper trend line at $11.70, and after that Polkadot is going to hit 14.09 or $14 very soon. This is my immediate short term target for Polkadot. Let me please remove these drawings. Let me please show you my long term or medium term targets regarding Polkadot. Here you can see Polkadot is currently is at $12.14 level and creating a bull flag type pattern. And if this happens, then let me please show you my target. Let me please arrange this. Here you can see. Let me please clone this, and after that let me please, if I put at that level, then Polkadot is definitely going to hit $14.88 very soon. This is the immediate short term target for Polkadot, and let me please remove this. And now let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see Polkadot was at $299 level, and after that Polkadot is at $10 level. This is very huge drop in Polkadot, and now I am going to tell you my next target, medium term targets, and my long targets for Polkadot. For this I am going to use a tool that is called Fib retracement. Let the Please let me arrange this. Here you can see. If we buy Polkadot at $10.11 level, then definitely next medium term target for Polkadot is at 0.2 at $74 level, and after that Polkadot definitely is going to hit $115. After that 156, and after that $186. This is the golden pocket for the Polkadot. Let me please show you. Let me please arrange this chart, because the dip was insane in Polkadot. Here you can see. Let me please arrange this. Currently Polkadot is at bottom, and if you buy Polkadot at that point, you should have to your next target should be at $73 level. This is insane, and let me please show you all targets of Polkadot. And in my opinion, and my suggestion, my long term target of 1 year or 2 year, Polkadot is going to hit $1,250 level in within 1 year or 2 year. This is my long term prediction for Polkadot according to the Fib retracement levels. After hitting golden pocket, Polkadot is going to hit next target is $240 level, and after that Polkadot is going to hit $297 level. My long term target for the Polkadot and target of 1 year is $290 for the Polkadot in 1 year. I think Polkadot definitely is going to hit 290 to $300 level in 1 year, I think so. And if we let me please arrange this again, because here you can see, if we buy Polkadot at that level, let me please draw some drawings on it. And if you, this is the main resistance for the Polkadot. If we buy a Polkadot at that level, 9.10 at $10 level, then our first target will be immediate short term is 13.57. Let me please label on it. Here you can see, and after that Polkadot have to go to, I think this is my next target for the Polkadot is at $74 level. If you hold Polkadot for 6 months to 1 year, then definitely Polkadot will hit $74 level, and after that Polkadot definitely going to hit $200 to $300 in within 1 year, I think so. And in 2 or 3 years Polkadot is going to hit $1,200 level, I think. If we calculate this like here you can see, if I measure the risk and reward ratio, let me please delete this. Let me please arrange this. If we buy Polkadot at that level, and let me please arrange this. Our risk will be 70% of our investment, and our minimum reward is at 38. First minimum target, second is 649% target for Polkadot. I am very much sure that Polkadot definitely in 6 months is going to hit $74 level, and will gain 650%, and risk is only 70%. If you trade Polkadot at that level, or if you buy Polkadot at that level, at that current price, then Polkadot will give you 650% in within 6 months. And after that, Polkadot definitely is going to hit at this level, and this is at $118 level, and will give you 1100% return within 8 to 9 months. These are my targets, and let me show you my final target is at $190 level. This is the target of 1 year. Polkadot definitely, I think, will hit this, because Polkadot team is very good and coin is very, very good. And Polkadot is going to hit $1,830 level. Will give you 1,830%. Your risk will be 70%, and your reward will be 183%. This is my final target for Polkadot in 1 year. Polkadot in 1 year is going to hit $190 level, and Polkadot is going to hit within 6 to 8 months $74 level. This is my targets for Polkadot, short term and long term target. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.